Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to export settings in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, I will have to tell you that whatever settings you change in the settings section, which is over here, and you try to edit or whatever you did, you don't really have to actually edit them. So basically what you have to do is pretty much simple. You have to go to your keyboard, go and click on the Windows icon ending on R. So here we go. And here, just simply tap preferences, app data preferences, click OK, and this folder shall be opened. So here we search for Visual Studio or code. So let's search for it. Here we go. And here, basically, all you need to do is click on user, which is over here. After that, you will find the settings folder, which is here exported directly. So you don't really have to edit whatever you have in mind. So it is pretty much simple. You just have to do the settings that you want to change. And if you want to save your settings, basically just change them here, click on apply. For example, you changed the settings from here. Let's go, for example, settings. Here you change the color. So basically what you have to do is just change it and then go to here and to user. You will find the settings here actually changed. If you open it, for example, with Notepad++ or whatever file you have, and you can also open it through here. So if you want here, you'll find this is a JSON source file. So if I want over here to the untitled, and I went to view and then command palette and then settings, you will find this JSON file that you can edit from here, or you can copy it in order for you to export it. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.